country. Entrepreneurs and freelancers, in particular, find the heavy taxation
Hello, good morning. Mga pala si Escape.
increasing regulations and bureaucracy
Ganun pa rin.
make it difficult
Diba?
for small
Paulit-ulit lang ako eh.
businesses
Sa
to
totoo lang. Pero
thrive,
paulit-ulit na yan.
opportunities elsewhere.
Yan ang
Overcrowding
pinaka-the
and
best.
infrastructure struggles. As a
Kumbaga
relatively
sa
small
gitara,
country with a high population
kapag isa lang alam mong chord, alam bang hindi ka paulit-ulit. O diba?
Public transport is often packed.
Yan tunay. Basta tumutog.
Sa vitamin D, kulang sa tibay.
Hello guys, ito may mga rich. Pag gising sa umaga, nakaupo ganyan. Nood na cables.
An energy crisis. The Dutch government has implemented strict climate policies.
Para naman at least, makita ko yung mga
which many households
may
still rely
babasag
on.
pa kung ano mga
While these policies
nangyayari.
are aimed at sustainability,
Ayos ba?
they have
Ito
resulted
there.
in increased energy